Hey everyone, it's TJ, your photographer big brother, and this is the series where I show you how to make better content. And I'm coming at you with 3 new TikTok videos about how to pose. So if you haven't checked out my other videos, hit the little button in the top corner and check those out. But this is 3 new ones. I hope you enjoy. Wait, before you go, I know this video has officially ended, but it would help me out so much if you hit that like button. It helps the YouTube algorithm push my content a little bit further and reach a little bit more people. And if you want to see more videos from me, consider hitting the subscribe button and the little bell button so you can get a notification when my next video comes. Comment something below if you feel like you want to, and if you haven't yet, check out one of these 2 videos. It'd make me the happiest person ever. Okay, I will catch you on the next one.